BMW stands for sportivity and exclusivity. The new BMW 4 Series convertible does it in a very natural way. The kidneys are wider and thinner. The lines on the bonnet are also focusing to the street and to the kidneys. If you look closer to the headlight, you're gonna see two double rings, which are very typical BMW icon, express, thanks to the LED technology, more depth, and cut by the eyebrow also more precision and more focus on the street. The lower air intake is, compared to the 3 Series, drawn with focus to the outside to express more sportivity and dynamic. And also a very important feature for BMW, the air curtain, which expresses the high technology of efficient dynamics. The cabin sits more upright than on the coupe, and thanks to this we have a very long rear deck, which in the opened version expressed the very typical boat character of BMW convertibles. The rear end of the BMW 4 Series convertible has a very wide appearance, a lot of horizontal lines. The sculpted rear fenders give a lot of attention to the wide rear track of the car. The L-shaped rear lights of the BMW 4 Series convertible have, especially at night, thanks to its precise line work, a very distinctive appearance. The interior of the 4 Series convertible expresses at one hand luxury and on the other hand sportivity. Sportivity is expressed by very sporty seats and the center stack, which is oriented to the driver without excluding the passenger. We express luxury by an upscaling material as the leather or the deco trim following the interior and giving a nice contrast to the leather. For me, this car expresses everything what a BMW should be. It offers a lot of dynamic and sporty driving pleasure combined with exclusivity. You just want to drive somewhere on a coast road, and this is all about a BMW convertible.